Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV at home. We'll cover the two primary charging methods, Level 1 and Level 2. Understanding these options is key to convenient and efficient home charging. Level 1 uses a standard wall outlet, while Level 2 offers significantly faster charging with a dedicated setup. Let's dive into the details of each method to help you choose the best approach for your lifestyle and driving needs. Level 1 charging is the simplest way to power up your Outlander PHEV at home. It utilizes a standard 120-volt household outlet, just like plugging in any appliance. This method delivers about 1.3 kilowatts of power, meaning a full charge can take approximately 8 to 15 hours. While slower, it's incredibly convenient for overnight charging or simply topping off your battery when you're not in a hurry. For significantly faster charging, Level 2 is your go-to option. This method requires a 240-volt dedicated circuit, similar to what a large appliance uses. It delivers between 3.3 and 6.6 kilowatts of power, allowing your Outlander PHEV to achieve a full charge in about 3 to 5 hours. While it typically requires professional installation of a charging station, the time savings are substantial for daily use. To make the most of your home charging experience, consider a dedicated Level 2 charger if you drive frequently. Also, take advantage of off-peak electricity rates, often available during nighttime hours, to significantly reduce your charging costs. Always inspect your charging cable and outlet for any wear or damage before plugging in. Finally, use your vehicle's infotainment system to preset charging times, ensuring your Outlander PHEV is ready when you are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.